Storms may surround you, but they do not define you. God's word says, "Be still and know that I am God." Even in the middle of confusion, His presence brings calm. God uses storms to build endurance and deepen trust. What feels like delay is often preparation. What feels like pressure is shaping purpose. He reminds us that no trial lasts forever, and no storm is stronger than His promise. When you lean on God, the storm may not end immediately, but your fear will. His word becomes your strength, His peace your covering, and His love your assurance that you will come out stronger than you went in.